currently this video it is mainly about how we set a sunflower oil workshop. So the first thing we need to do if you like to set a sunflower oil workshop is to remove the impurities. Welcome to the live, EN and FO. Welcome to the live. Happy to see you guys here. So the first thing you need to do to set a sunflower oil workshop is to remove the impurities in the oil seeds. Right now, check about it. For removing the impurities in the oil seeds, we do have several of the equipment like the destoner to remove the heavy items like the stones. Hey, what? This is our flaker here. This is our flaker. For this flaker, the main purpose is to flake the like destroy the structure inside of the oil seeds so that we can obtain more of the crude oils by using the same amount of oil seeds. And when we destruct the structure inside of the oil seeds, the crude oils will easily be taken out of the oil seeds in a really easy way. How many hours to produce oils? That is a really good question. Thank you so much for your question. How many hours to produce oil? It is totally according to how many equipments do you have. I mean, if you have the whole equipments, if you do have the whole pressing line in a short time, you will get it in a really short time. But if you do have like several of the equipment, like if you didn't have a large scale of the oil seeds, like you just purchase some of the equipments inside of this whole pressing line, you can there is a simple version, by the way. The simple version, you can easily choose one of the cooker and you can choose one of the oil presser, like according to your needs. You can choose the capacities and you can plus one of the plate filter or the leaf filter to filter out all of the impurities inside of the crude oils. But if you still want to improve the final oil quality, we do have the refinery plant. So if you want to do the refinery, that will take longer time. So yeah, this is how many hours to produce oils. Like Dami, what kind of oil seeds do you have? You can share about your experience to having the oil workshop with us so that we can have a more deeper conversations here. Yeah, just like I said, we do have the refinery plan, and later if you guys need, I can show you how to remove the impurities, like do the acidification, do the degumming, do the odorization, and the deacidification, decolorization, degumming. We all have the equipments here. If you guys need, I can definitely show more detailed information, like improve the final quality, crude oils quality. All right, because I know there are a lot of people, they are doing the oil business, but after they press the oil, they will directly eat it. But here, I want to stress again, the oil that you obtain from the oil presser or the solvent extractor, it is not the edible oil because there are so many of the impurities, like the acids, like the a lot of different colors. If you want to remove the flavor of the oils, or if you want to remove, if you want to improve the colors, like how it is look like, or improve the flavor, you have to do the refinery plant. And for our refinery plant, we do have different capacity according to your needs. If you're deal with more less than 50 tons per day, we do have the semi type 1, which the small investment, you can earn back the money in a really short time. But if you do have like a really large workshop, if you deal with more than 50 tons of the crude oils per day, we do have the continuous one and the semi-continuous one. It is totally according to your needs. We can provide you different capacities, equipments according to your needs. So Demi, you are dealing with the sunflower oil seeds. Yes, right now currently this is our sunflower seeds. How to say that, like sunflower oil seeds workshop. You can